What's happening, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. As I'm sure a lot of y'all know, HatClub is having their Super Mart event down in Arizona right now. It's from the 9th to the 11th, so leading right up to the Super Bowl. And I don't know about y'all, but I've been watching every post, every reel, every story, trying to keep up with the heat that they're dropping down there. So when this box hit my doorstep, oh, I was geeked. So let's go ahead and crack it open. And just like that, I'm back with the goods. Y'all see it, HatClub Supermart. You got the bowl artwork on the front. And I like the direction that they took it in, you know, HatClub Supermart, Super Bowl. Y'all get it. So here we have the box, but this was actually on top of the box. So I want to go ahead and get into this first. It is a shirt, we know that much. And there is apparel on sale at the event right now. I know that from the stories that they've been posting. I told y'all I've been keeping an eye on the stories. That shirt with the championship ring, that shirt is fire. Let's see what this one is. So you have a HatClub hit on the chest. Oh, this is nice. It says HatClub Supermart at the bottom. And once again, you have that bowl artwork, which I just peeped is actually wearing cleats. So that's pretty cool. I didn't notice that before. Right now in the comment section, let me know who y'all got in the upcoming Super Bowl. Is it the Chiefs or is it the Eagles? Sound off in the comment section. And while you're there, hit that like button. So we have a card on top. Says HatClub, we got you. Shout out the HatClub, shout out the HatClub, because I was definitely feeling some FOMO since I couldn't be down there in Arizona. I appreciate the love, I really do. So there's some shorts in here as well. Some mesh shorts, y'all know I love mesh shorts. Let's see what the vibes are. The shorts are like a beige color. It has HatClub printed on the front. And it also has a custom patch on the bottom of the leg right here that says HatClub, forged in the Arizona desert under super fly conditions since '92. I like that. You also have the bowl artwork once again, which I think is pretty cool. So here are the shorts one more time. And now we gonna get into the main event, the hat. Now I'm not gonna hold y'all. There's a lot of good hats in that Supermart lineup, but this one right here was my favorite out of all the packs and the collections that they're dropping. This particular hat is my favorite one. So shout out the HatClub. Big shout out to HatClub because this one was just perfect. It is the Philadelphia Phillies from the Wild Valley pack that Wilder Fitteds and John put together. John from HatClub. If y'all aren't familiar, he is the head designer. Wilder Fitteds is a very dope fitted hat content creator from TikTok and Instagram. Make sure y'all tap in with the both of them. I will put their information on the screen. A dope 10 out of 10 pack. But this is the one right here. For me personally, this was the one. It is a two-tone, so off-white crown, dark red top bill, dark red button on top to match. That red Phillies front logo with the teal blue outline. The colors complement each other so well. Liberty Bell side patch, there's some yellow, some more of that teal blue. I think even a little bit of copper for the bell. There's some silver detailing in there as well. Very, very nice work with the side patch. The color placement, immaculate. Flat baddie on the back. You have some silver, some of that dark red, and the teal. Tonal New Era flag. Green UV, which I think really just brings it home. You can never go wrong with a green UV. Black sweatband. This hat is a gem. So of course I got to show it to y'all after it is steamed and curved, and we'll be right back. So I curved the hat using my usual method. Y'all let me know what y'all think down below in the comment section, but this hat is a gem. I'm gonna put my top 10 picks from the HatClub Supermart lineup on the screen right now. If you enjoyed today's video, remember to like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love, and I will check y'all out in the next one.